Hello all. Today I will demonstrate you concept of file handling in C language. So we will start with the fgetc and fputc with the first. So let me explain what is the use of fgetc and fputc. Fgetc is the function which is used to read the character from the file, and fputc is the function which is used to write the character to the file. So how we can work with the file? Let's start with the same. So first of all, you can just declare the file structure, that is file pointer. For example, I'm just declaring here file pointer fp. Now here using fp, you can open the file. Here in fopen, there are two arguments. One is the name of the file. For example, I'm just providing the name of the file is test.txt. Now the second argument is the mode of the file, in which mode you want to open the file. Suppose if you are passing W, then it is in a write mode, and if you are passing R, then it is in a read mode. But if you want to make the write plus read both, then you can just write W plus. So it means it will simply open your file in the write as well as read mode. At the end, you can just simply close your file pointer, so your file will be closed. Now here in between, you can write the processing statement. For example, I want to write a character using the putc. So how we can write the character? It is very simple. Here you can just write, you can declare a one variable, for example, integer ch. Now here you can just write ch is equal to, you can call the function getChar. So what getChar will do? It will accept the one character from the user. Once the character will be stored into ch, you can simply call the function fputc. Fputc have the two arguments. The first argument is the character that you want to write, and the second is the file pointer in which file you want to write the character. So you can just simply write fp. Whenever you do this, it will simply write the character into your file, that is test.txt, and this file will be created in the folder where you have saved this particular program, that is demo1.c. So my this demo1.c is saved in my D drive, and here in D drive there is a one folder file handling, and here my demo1.c is there. Now whenever you run this particular code, for example, I'm writing here build and run. Whenever you run this, here in this folder your file will be created once you enter the character. For example, I'm just writing the character over here, that is capital A. Whenever you write capital A and you can press the enter, your program will be executed successfully, and here you can just open your file, that is test.txt. The A character will be written to your file. Now I want to read and write both into this. So how we can do this? It is very simple. Whenever you are writing to a file and whenever you want to read at the same time, at that time you need to reset your position. So you can just set your cursor first. For that, you can call the function rewind. And here in a rewind, you can pass the argument, that is the file pointer. So I'm just passing the file pointer argument to the rewind function. Now, whenever you want to read the character, you can call the function, that is getC. So you can call here printf %c, and you can call the function fgetc. Whenever you are calling the function fgetc, here you just need to provide the file pointer. So whenever you provide the file pointer, it will read the character from your file. Whenever you build and run this particular code, now your file will be created again, and it will ask you for the character. Why? Because we have written here, that is ch is equal to getChar. So whenever you enter one character, for example, now I am writing here capital P. Whenever you write P and you press the enter, here you will get the P letter. Why? Because this P is written to the file and this P is read from the file. If you want to verify the character P, then you can go to your folder, and here in a test.txt you will be able to find the character P. So this is the way you can simply write the character and you can read the character using fgetc and fputc. But suppose if you think that, sir, I want to write the article, it means I don't want to write the one character, but I want to write the whole paragraph and I want to read the paragraph. What can I do? So for that, you can simply do what? Let me save this particular program as demo 2.c. Suppose if you want to read the whole paragraph and if you want to write the character, you can simply do what? See here, I'm just writing what? See, ch is equal to get care. I'm just removing this statements. Now I want to ask to the user to get the input. So what I'm writing here, I will just call the loop, that is while. Now I'm getting the character from the user. Ch is equal to get care. Now I will provide this into bracket. Why? Because I will get the value from the user until and unless user does not provide the sign, and that is tilde sign. It means until and unless user does not provide the last character, that is tilde, I will get the character from the user. And whatever user provide, that I want to write into the file. So I'm just calling the function fputc. Whatever user enter, that will be stored into my ch variable. So I'm just passing here argument ch, and here you can provide the file pointer. So what happened? One by one, all the character will be written to your file. Once all the character is written to the file, now I'm just calling the rewind function. So you can just call rewind of file pointer. So what happened? My cursor will be set to the first position. Now I want to read again from the file. So how we can read the content from the file? So it is very simple. You can just write while. Now you can get the character using the function that is fgetc. So what fgetc will do? Fgetc will retrieve the one by one character from the file and it will be assigned to your variable, that is ch, until and unless it does not equal to, that is -1. Why? Because fgetc returns the -1 if it reaches to the end of the file. So until and unless it does not get the -1, I want to read all the characters. So I'm just writing here printf %c and ch. So what happened? Whenever you run this particular code, it will ask you now to enter the paragraph. It means now you can enter the whole paragraph or article, whatever you want to write. For example, I'm writing here, hello all. Now I'm pressing an enter. I hope you all are enjoying the session of C. Now I'm pressing an enter and I'm writing thanks and regards. Now I'm writing Dr. Parag Shukla. Now I'm pressing the tilde sign to end the termination. And whenever you press the tilde sign, what happened? The same content, whatever you have written, the same content is read from the file. It means this content is written to the file and this content is read from the file. Now how can I give the proof for the same, that the content is written to the file? So very simple, you can go to your folder and here in folder you can open your test.txt. Now you will be able to see that this is the content that is written over here. So this is the way you can write and read the character by character from the file, and you can write to the character to the file. But suppose if you think that, sir, I want to do what? I want to read the name of the file from the user, and then I want to copy the content to the new file, but the copied content should be in the upper letter. It means whenever user provide any file name, that I want to convert it into uppercase. So can we do this? Yes, you can. For example, let me save this particular program as, and the name of the program is demo 3. Now what I want to do? Very simple. First, I want to read the content of the file, and then I want to convert that particular content into capital letters. So first, I need to write the code to read the content of the file. So for example, I want to read the content of, that is demo3.c. How we can write the code? Very simple. Here you can just write what? That is, you can just open your file. So you can write here fp is equal to fopen. Now here you can just provide the name of the file. Right now I'm just giving the name of my file is demo3.c. I want to open this file in a read mode. Now here you can just call your function, that is ch is equal to, now here you can call the function fgetc of fp. It means character by character it will be read from the file. Until and unless it not reaches to the end of the file, whenever it reaches to the end of the file, it will return the -1. So I'm just writing here ch is equal to fgetc of fp not equal to -1. Printf %c and whatever you have retrieved, that is print over here. Whenever you run this, what happens? See, your content of the same file, that is demo3.c, will be available over here. So this is the way you can read the content from the file. But what I want to do, I don't want to provide here static file name. I want the name of the file from the user. So what we can do, very simple, here you can just declare the file name and you can just give the array, for example 30. Now here you can write enter the name of file. For example, user provide any file name that I want to read the content of the same. So I'm just providing here %s and here you can write f name. Now, whatever user provide the name, that I will pass into fopen function. So what happened? Whenever you run this, now it will ask me enter the name of the file. For example, I says that demo2.c. Now it will print the content of demo2.c. So this is the way you can read the content. But what I want to do, I want to convert this content into new file, and that will be in the uppercase. So how we can do this? Very simple. You need a one more file pointer over here. So I'm just declaring here file pointer, that is new file. Now here in a new file, I want to copy the content of the same file that user provide the name, and then I want to convert it into uppercase. So I'm just writing here new file is equal to fopen. Here you can just give the name of your new file. So I'm just providing the new file dot txt, and I'm opening this particular file in write mode. Why? Because once user read the content of the given file, that I want to write into new file. So I'm just writing here new file.txt. I'm just opening for the write mode. Now, whenever user read the character one by one, I want to write into new file. So what I will do? Very simple. Here you can call the function fputc. Now here you can just provide the character and you can provide the file pointer. So my new file pointer name is new file. And here the content will be copied to your file, but it will be only copy. It will not be converted into uppercase. Whenever you want to convert into uppercase, you need to call the function that is toUpper. So whenever you are using the toUpper, you can use the library that is ctype.h. So I'm just calling the function toUpper and I'm converting my character into uppercase. Now what happens? See, it is asking me for the name of the file. For example, I'm writing the name of the file is demo3.c. I want to convert this demo3.c into, that is new file.txt, and it will be my same code should be in the uppercase. If you look carefully into the program, then there is no file name, that is the new file.txt, is available in this current folder. Whenever you press enter, what happens? See, new file.txt will be created over here, and whenever you open your new file.txt, it will be converted. It will convert your whole code into uppercase. So this is the way you can use the getc and putc to perform the character by character manipulation of the file. Suppose if anybody asks you that find the total number of characters, suppose if anybody asks you find the total number of vowels from the file, and suppose if anybody asks you that the find how many upper letter are there, how many words are there, how many lowercase are there, how many digits are there, you can do all these things using these two functions, and that is fputc and fgetc. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Have a nice day.